Hi friends, good morning. Today it is 3rd July 2022 and the time is 10:24. And last video I covered Nasdaq in-depth analysis by using pitchfork, Ichimoku, harmonics, wedge patterns, and fortune signals. And there was a request from one of my abroad customers to track Alibaba. I've already done it. Maybe in the later point of the video, maybe the third video or fourth video, I'll try to cover Alibaba in detail. And let's go and talk Dow Jones. And if you go here in my PPT, this is actually I made on 6th June weekly observation. In that weekly observation, I clearly mentioned miracle week for Dow Jones is second week of July, 4th July to 8th July, which is this coming week from coming Monday to Friday, which is a very, very crucial week for Dow Jones. And the crucial dates to watch in this week is 5th July. Okay, in this week, the important date to watch in Dow Jones is 5th July. But overall, this week is very, very crucial based on time cycle. And when I covered, Dow Jones in my last week forecast video. Okay, so now if you go here, I've clearly mentioned all major indices closed at a very crucial level. Will there be a bounce based on time, not on price, based on time? And when the time and the price combines, it is explosion. When the time and the price combines, it is explosion. Okay, so now why I gave it is a crucial level, you need to go and watch this video based on fortune signals plus the date. I clearly mentioned the bottom is there. Okay, and from there we are reversing. The important date was 17th June for Nifty as well as Dow Jones. And the second important date, which is a known date to everyone in the world, is 21st June, right? So Dow Jones is trading about 21st June, as well as it is holding the very important date, which is 17th June. According to me, 17th June is the key, not the 21st June. 17th June is the key, where it made the exact bottom, where the price and time squared, right? So that is why it is holding. But without taking all the dates and criteria, my fortune signals will give this is the bottom. And I've clearly explained that in this video. You can go back and watch. Now let's come to Dow Jones real chart. Okay, again, this is based on wedge pattern. It should not break this low, and based on fortune signals, the monthly number 28284 27169, it has to hold, and the pitchfork median line also is coming in between. So possibility in case if the Dow Jones crashes from here, possibility of making a bottom somewhere in this area. This is basically based on fortune signals on monthly. So this is the red and blue. In case if it breaks the crucial week low, if you go here on weekly, that's why I said why you need to buy Dow Jones based on fortune signals, because it gave a sell, but it has become fake, because till now it has not closed below this week, and last week it is sustained, it went up, and this week it is inside it. Let's see how the crucial week, which is the coming week, is going to play based on fortune signals on weekly basis, unless and until it doesn't go below this sell initiation candle low. You don't need to worry about Dow Jones, but the overall picture is looking ugly. I'm not saying anything about that. On a temporary basis, it should hold this candle low, because the sell initiation candle has come. Until now, it is not genuine. When it will become genuine? If it closes below this candle low on a weekly basis, including the wick. If it closes below somewhere here, wherever, then it's become genuine. Till that time, it is fake. So that's why I said market was at the exact bottom 2 weeks before and said possibility of a pullback. So I don't need to do a lot of analysis to find this. My fortune signals in one click will give everything. Okay, so now let's go to Ichimoku. So based on weekly, the cloud is still bullish, but it is closing, it is below the cloud, and the lagging span is inside the cloud. So it will give a lot of volatility and it will eat our brain unless and until it cuts above all this and go to the free air somewhere here. Till that time, it is bearish. And if you see the coming week, the cloud is literally becoming bearish. This is on a weekly front. Okay. So what it will do, it will try to over somewhere here and it will try to cross this level somewhere in the month of August 2022, 29th August week. If it doesn't break this, then the fall continues further. So as of now, it has taken a support based on my fortune signals. You can call whatever technical thing which you use. According to me, based on fortune signals, it has given a sell and it has become fake as of now. So till that time, you can survive. Overall picture, 100% look weak. No doubt about it. Okay. So now let's come to daily. Daily also below the Ichimoku cloud, but the beauty is it is exactly took the support on fortune signals Shakti line. I call it a Shakti because this has to hold, this line, pink color line has to hold, because this is my criteria for buying any stock. Let it be in 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, weekly, monthly, hourly, whatever. This pink color holds the key, and that is why I called it as Shakti. So without Shakti, there is no Shivan. Without Shakti, there is no universe. So exactly Dow Jones took the support on the Shakti line, plus that was the 17th June low, which was the very important trend change date. And I predicted this date 1.5 months before. You can go back and watch my weekly forecast video on Dow Jones. I would have given this date for Nifty as well as for Dow Jones. So it is holding it, number one, and it is trading about 21st June also. Till it doesn't break 17th low, you don't need to worry about Dow Jones, right? But overall picture still looks ugly, and the width of the cloud is also becoming big. So very difficult to cross these levels. Even if it cross these levels, my fortune signals, the fortune signals red and blue is here on daily. That was this is the number which you can mark. This is a number which you can mark. 32,722, 33,111. This is where it will face a resistance, and more or less cloud top also is somewhere there only. Somewhere there only. So you can use it. And coming to dates, coming to week, this week is very, very crucial going forward, which is 1st August week. Okay. Just a minute. This is the very important week, which is 27th December 2022. And another date is coming in February 2023. And the coming week is very crucial. And the next very crucial week is August 1st week. August 1st. And coming to daily, 5th July is the very important date for the coming week. And the whole week is very, very crucial based on time cycle. So in nutshell, till it holds 17th low, there is no worry, but it has to give a genuine buy on 1 hour. Above this level only it will become bullish. There it has to give a genuine buy. Then we can think about buying Dow Jones. Till that time, it is very difficult. For a trading purpose, you can definitely buy till it holds 17th June low. Next, let's go to Pitchfork. Let's go to Pitchfork. So what it Pitchfork says, when I connect this bottom and this eye and this eye, it says it is holding the pitchfork blue color line. Blue color line. Apart from that, if I take a major view, major pitchfork view, this is where it is here. This was the major pitchfork working. It says till it holds this green, there is nothing to worry. And more or less, it is combining with the lower time frame pitchfork also. So till it doesn't close below this pink color line, we don't need to worry based on pitchfork. And I've already covered, Ishimoku. On all time frame, it is bearish. Let's go to 1 hour and see. 1 hour, it is bullish, but it has to cross above the cloud again. Till now, if you remove pitchfork, see the beauty of fortune signals. Okay, I'm removing everything. What happened here? On hourly basis, it gave a buy. Whether it's a genuine buy, 100% no. Why? It has none of the candle closed above this candle high. Even this candle went up, but candle came down all the way and closed below this high of this candle, which means it is a fake buy on hourly also. So when you can buy once it closes above this candle, buy initiation candle high, which is roughly around 31,598.59. 98.59. Till that time, there is no buy in Dow Jones. So now where it is, it gave a buy, came down, touched my blue, and I've already told many times, this is actually I'm talking about on a trading purpose. Whenever it breaks this red color, if this candle low is held, you can buy with a very minimal stop loss. We don't need to do a lot of analysis. If I open fortune signals, that is more than enough to describe anything, because it captures the exact low. If it breaks this, you can go back see my video on fortune signals. If it breaks this red color, and if the candle forms after that, if this candle low is not broken, you can simply buy with the stop loss of this candle low. So normally what we do, once it breaks on a higher time frame, we'll go to the minor time frame and we'll try to take the entry on 5 minutes basis. This is basically, I'm talking about trading, not for investment. And investment sake, there is no buy till now. It has to give a genuine buy on one day. Then you can think about buying Dow Jones and all that. Till that time, there is no buy. The same concept here I am again saying, till it doesn't close above Jan month high, there is no buy, right? And again saying on a monthly basis, if you go to monthly basis on fortune signals, this was the two important number which I am watching out, where it may come and take the support. And these two are the numbers, 28,284, 27,169. And if you go to weekly, as of now, it is a fake sell. So till it holds this low, maybe you can take a buy call, but it has to give a genuine buy on one day. It has taken the support exactly at the pink color line. I'm not saying no, but if you want to buy this counter, it has to give a genuine buy somewhere here. If you go here, see how beautifully it worked. Okay, this is actually more or less a fake buy, came down, went up, came down, exactly went and touched the red and blue of pitchfork of fortune signals, and from there it came down. So now again it is coming down. Let's see whether how it is going to react from this level. Again, if it goes and take the resistance from these two, and it will again fall. So as of now, on the dates till 17th low is held, no problem. And the coming week is very, very crucial. Mark the high and low of coming week. In case if it breaks the coming week high in the next week, then you can take a call. And based on hourly, on a trading purpose, Once it closes above this candle high, you can buy. Till that time, there is no buy. Or you can buy till it closes below this candle low, because it closed below this red color line and this candle low was held as of now. This is for trading, right? So I think mostly I covered. I don't want to go very deep into Dow Jones. This is how it works. Let's go and talk about 1 second of fortune signal S&P. See how beautifully it works. See, it gave a buy. This is S&P on hourly basis. Simply see this. It gave a buy and it become genuine here because this candle closed above this candle, the buy initiation candle high. From there it went up, came down all the way. It gave a sell. So what it says, this sell candle, this is where people get trapped. This is where people get trapped, and fortune signals will able to identify with ease. And it says very clearly, when I give a sell call, if my sell candle low is not broken, it is going to go. So that is why we call this as a fake sell. So we are able to identify the top when we are able to identify the bottom. That's how fortune signal works in all the time frames. I don't need to do a lot of analysis of pitchfork, combining Ichimoku, all that. We use time with fortune signals. We use time with the fortune signals, and Ichimoku and pitchfork will come for Andy. I don't use any other EMI, no SMAs, no EMS. But I'm not saying it is not good. You can simply use whichever system you use, because all the systems or technical parameters are gifted to us by God. So everything works in every time frame. So whichever you use, apply that. I'm giving the numbers, I'm giving my logic. You can use your own system. You can use trend line, you can use RSI, MACD, stochastics, blah, 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 blah. Anything and everything in your life, and try to ride the trend. So according to me, till it holds this low on a trading purpose, you can simply sit on S&P. I'll try to cover S&P in a detailed video. This is how we used to capture the low and top. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Again, saying I'm not a SEBI registered investment advisor, so kindly do your homework or consult your financial advisors before taking any financial decisions. If possible, try to attend my webinar at 12:30 to 2 p.m. today. See you soon. Bye.